Okay, so today it's mid-September, and what we're going to be doing today is getting this bed. These are our two beds that we grew kale and lettuce in, and some other vegetables this summer, and also a few raspberry plants. Threw a lot of different things in this bed. And what we're going to do is collecting and harvesting the remaining vegetables here, and then I'm going to throw down some compost and plant some lettuce and kale so we have a fall harvest. So this will be basically, we're planting around September 15th, and what I hope to do is harvest lettuce and kale from late October into November before the frost really kicks in. So that's what we've got on tap today, extending our growing season by another two full months and keeping the fresh produce coming before we finally shut down things for winter.
Winter is coming. This one will be long, and dark things will come with it.
Winter is coming. These were born in the long days of summer, and it's all they've ever known. But now winter is truly coming, and they will need protection from the dark and cold of winter. That's my best Ned Stark, but in reality, winter did come to Brooklyn last night. It dipped down to 29 degrees, first official frost. And you can see they survived. They got a little help. The protection I gave them was some cover in the form of these tarps. Covered them up. I basically threw warm water, watered them around 8 o'clock before it really dipped cold, and then covered them up. And it kept them warm for the night, and they survived it. You know, these were planted September 15th, my first go at planting green leaf lettuce and kale for the fall. As you can see, not completely thriving and not fully grown, which would be up to here. Lesson learned, 9:15, a little late to plant that. You know, the sun difference from August to October is pretty dramatic in this backyard. You can see it's around, I think around 3:30 right now, and there is no sun here in the afternoon. The sun has definitely dipped already down to below the buildings, and we just don't get a lot. We go from about 7 to 8 hours of sun per day in August, really hot, which the solar power will fuel these up to great growth. We, got 2 cycles of kale and butterleaf lettuce out of this bed during the summer, but now winter is truly coming, in the words of Ned Stark. And what we'll do is I'll try to extend it out here for another week or so, just when it dips below 30 at night, throw the tarp on it, and hopefully get these up a little bit more. We're going to eat them all, of course. None go to waste. And then, we'll give it a try next year. Next year, we'll just try to get these in the ground by 3rd week of August, potentially 4th week of August. I think those extra 3 or 4 weeks will get it up to definitely full size. So that's it. Signing off. Hit me up with comments, questions below, and go easy on the criticism of my Ned Stark impersonation. Because winter is truly coming.